What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to go over how to set up SaaS plan with sub account and contact user limits. This is something you guys have been asking for a while. I'm really excited to be part of the high level content army, and I'll see you inside today's video. What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc. So we're going over how to make up SaaS plans today with your custom user limits or the actual SaaS sub-account limits inside your high-level account. Now, to access that, you're going to want to be on your agency level account, and then you're going to go right here to SaaS Configurator. This is on the left-hand side. When you do, this menu will pop up. Now, to your right, you're going to see two different drop-down and a button. This is your categories. Now, categories really are used to be able to sort and group your different plans together. So this is something that makes it so that you're not looking at all 20 plans. It's really easy to sort through stuff. But that's really what categories is for, is just for sorting and grouping. Keep that in mind. So to create a plan, you're going to come right here. You're going to then name your plan. So it's called its demo, and your description. You'll come in, put whatever description you want it to be. Next thing you'll do is you'll pick your category. We'll put this in our demo category. And then you could, of course, put it for whatever category you like, depending on what your niche is. Next thing, this is where we're at. This is the highlight of today's video, is how to set user limits and contact limits. Now, first things first, if you want to set your user limits, you just toggle this button on, and then you can go up to, I believe it is 10,000 users, I believe. Yeah, 9,999 users is the max. Right. And then for your contact, it's the same thing. Is you start at 50, but it's also 9,999 for your contact limit. And this is how you would just set that. And if you wanted to make it with a user limit right here, you just click this guy on, or contact limits, you'd sit there. Now, mind you, these are the max. So if you did set a contact limit at 9,999, when they exceeded that, they would have to level up and get a whole nother account. Same thing with users. So keep that in mind. That is how you set up SaaS plans using the user and contact limit. Let's say that we wanted to keep those. You would then hit next. You then pick whatever features by clicking and making sure they're highlighted, whichever ones you wanted. You then hit next. Here you would set up their trial period, and if you wanted to give them any credits, which is so cool because you can now customize and set this up. Even here, you can turn off the credits, which wasn't a thing before. And then your final step is your rebilling, which you pick what you want to rebill, and then how much you want to charge for it is set here to the side. So we'll turn on phone rebilling, finish that up, and boom, there we go. We got a plan. And it's that easy to be able to create it. Remember, you have your 9,999 limit on each one, and keep that in mind when creating these plans. Thanks so much for watching today's video, high levelers. I'm so happy to be part of the high level content army, and Funnel Doc out. Peace.